Today we're going to be racing some 3D printed derby cars that we had participants spend about 4 to 6 weeks on developing and designing in a program called Tinkercad that were then 3D printed on our printers here at the library. The races are structured, it's a double elimination, so we have a bracket that they'll compete through first, and then we have a eliminated bracket that they'll compete through. The winner of the winner bracket, the winner of the loser bracket will then face off for a final round. Just seeing what the kids can come up with, because you know there's crazy designs. We had some kid that fully modeled out like F-17 jet on top of the actual car chassis. That one was awesome. We had another kid that threw on like a banana with Dwayne "The Rock" Johnson on one end of it, and you know, just some bust statues all over the car. It's just cool stuff. Promotes a lot of STEM and STEAM related activities. You know, there's the 3D modeling aspect of it, understanding like perspective and spatial awareness plays into kind of getting a chance to open the eyes of the public of what the library can do for you too, in terms of machines and things that you might not have typically thought a library would do. All of the tech toys here at the library can be requested upon appointment. We have a application online on our website under services and tech toys. You just fill out the application, let me know what it is that you're looking to do. We have a selection of different machines that are available through that application, and I get back in touch with you and we see what we can make.